Good day everyone, this is how you remove your printer head using these following tools. I have screwdriver, flat screw, and this special tool. Alright, so you don't have to worry about this. This is just a special rod. You can use anything. Alright, so we have here, the first thing that you need to do is you need to unplug this ribbon to this detector, to your ink. So the first thing you need to do is pull this one here below, this one, pull this up, then push, drag it down, and it will be open, and there you go. So that's the first step. Second is this one, you remove this ribbon here, right? Just pull it out. Alright, so which means that is removed already. So next things is I need to change this one into Phillips screw, and using these special tools you need to push this up here, up this upper portion. There's a lock. We have two locks, first one here and the second and the other end. So just pull it here and wait for the clack sound, right? So like that, right? And the other end also, so it's the same. So just randomly pull and plug this special tool and up. So there you go. So there you have the input ribbon and this one, right? So lastly is we have here one Phillips screw to unscrew this one. Then after screwing, then you will have your printer head removed, right? So there you go, your printer head. Right. So I'm going to check it here first. Oh, so this one, try to pull it up. And need to pull this one also, right? So be careful for the ribbon not to be destroyed. Right. So there are 3 screws rather. I'm sorry, I forgot it's here. That's why it's really hard. So I didn't see it. And screw 1, 2, and this is the last one. So it's really hard to see, but you'll see it there. So that's why. Right, then there you have it. So there you have the printer head. Oops. Alright, so it's very scratchy already. Right, so end of the video.